This one seems a bit grumpy. Looks like it... Magic rebuild! Good work! Use it to cast more spells. Whoa, great job! Something really did seem odd about that monster. By the way, if you're ever not sure what to do, just follow the magical guide hand I've created. Click on the hand now. Now, before we go further, you'll need to choose your very own pet. These are the Academy starter pets. Every student of the Academy has one. Choose which one you'd like to train. Like this one is a bit grumpy too. Can rescue Mermina now. Let's keep going. Whew, we made it. Well, it's time for you to get to class. Do you feel that? I can sense something. A presence I've not felt since... What was that? Whoa, I don't feel so... And where did the warden keystones go?
It is finally done. With the Warden Keystones destroyed, no one will ever be able to enter the Academy and fill their minds with knowledge. And without knowledge, they will not be able to resist our mind illusions.
Oh no, it's the Puppet Master! This is not good!
The less you learn, the stronger our mind illusions get. Let's see what you know.
Whoa, that was a powerful hit! With the help of the power of the Wardens, we're going to put a stop to the Order's evil plans, once and for all.
Bold words. Unfortunately for you, the Shadow Blast that destroyed the Warden Keystones also drained power from the 6 Wardens themselves. Now nothing stands in our way.
6 wardens? Master? There were only 5 in there.
Are you kidding me? How did we miss one? Come on! How is this even possible?
I think it's time for us to get out of here. I have a little secret I was keeping from the Puppet Master. The Warden Keystones can't be destroyed. All that blast did was scatter them around the island. Once we collect them all, we should be able to defeat the Puppet Master! I think you've earned your wizard name. What shall you be known as? It's perfect! With the wardens weakened, it's up to us to stop the evil Order of Influence and save the Academy.